Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by testing adhesion. Peel a small seam to see if the old paper is solid or coming off. Once you know it's firmly stuck, remove trim and outlet covers and protect your floor. That keeps edges clean. Measure each wall and cut new strips with an extra 10 centimeters for trimming. Aligning pattern repeats so seams match. You do this now so you avoid remeasuring mid-wall. Precise cuts save time and keep joints tight when you hang. You mix the recommended paste and apply it evenly to the back of each strip or to the wall per product instructions. This controls expansion and adhesion. Once pasted, book the paper for 3 to 5 minutes so it relaxes and becomes more flexible for positioning. Then, snap a plumb line and hang your first strip aligning pattern and butting seams tightly. Do not overlap. Make sure to smooth from center outward with a brush or smoother to expel air and excess paste. You finish by trimming top and bottom with a sharp blade and straight edge, then roll every seam with a small seam roller to ensure contact. Once done, wipe any paste residue immediately with a damp sponge and reinstall trim and outlet covers. If you find bubbles or lifted edges after drying, lift the seam slightly, inject paste under the lift, press firmly, and roll again. This repairs adhesion without replacing panels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.